Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Winnie. I make videos on beauty, hair, lifestyle, all of that good stuff. Today's video will be a really quick one, and it's just about how I finessed this £100, I'll say £100 wig from AliExpress. Now, the quality of the hair is quite good, but the lace was trash. It was actually trash and it stressed me out. So if you guys want to see how I finesse this wig, just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe, as it helps me out and it's free girl, so why not? And also check the link. I'll link the wig down below. If you want to get it, but don't come back here bashing me, okay? I've already given you guys the tea. So guys, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so the wig comes in this box here. I've already opened it, and it comes with not much. It comes with a wig cap, and it comes with a little, what do we call this, business cards, and it's just got the name of the store at the front, and then like begging people to give them 5 stars. This is why you can't trust all of the vendors, because they're giving coupons if you give them 5 stars. Anyways, and this is the hair, guys. This is how it looks straight out of the packaging. I haven't done anything to this wig, and the wig is 24 inches. Let me step back so you guys can see how long it is. On the inside it comes with 4 wig combs. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 1 at the bottom. So I'm gonna try the wig on just so you guys can see what it's looking like straight out of the packaging. And it's a little bit. So guys, this is how the wig is looking straight out of the packaging. Definitely going to have to bleach the knots and pluck the hairline. I was really hoping this would be really easy, but it won't be. This is what I use, the Rapid Blue Powder Bleach, and then the peroxide 40 volume. So I have the little measuring spoon here. 1, 3, and that should be enough to bleach the frontal. Actually, I'll put 1 more because we want it nice and thick. And then I'm just gonna pour a little bit and then mix it. So guys, I go ahead and I add my developer and I mix it with my little mixing spoon until it's a nice thick consistency, and I just keep adding the peroxide until I get the consistency that I want. And after I'm done, I just go ahead and I apply it to the lace. So when I'm applying the bleach to the lace, I try to be very, very careful because I don't want the hair strands to get bleached as well. So I just smooth it over with my spoon instead of pressing it in. And then I go ahead and I left this on for about 15 minutes. I think it was a bit too long because it did over process, but that's okay. I went ahead and I washed it out with my purple shampoo, and that removed a bit of the brassiness from it. And this is just how I check if the lace is processed already. I just smooth the section and have a look to see if it's blonde or if it's still black. And this is how it looked after. I really like the bronziness that it had, because when you apply the lace, it actually blends into your skin a lot more. You can see at the front that it was a little bit over processed, but that's okay. That's okay. I went ahead and I started plucking, and I am a plucking novice, guys, so I just part a section at the front and I just start removing the hair. And one thing I try to do is constantly move my hand around so it's not in the same place, so I don't over pluck. And you can see how much hair comes out. One thing I can say is that the hair plucked very easily. And yeah, a bit too easy actually, because if you're not careful you will have a bald spot. But you can see how much better that's looking already. So it's definitely helpful to pluck the lace, especially when you have a cheap wig like this one. What did I do next? So after I finished plucking, I went ahead and I blow dried the hair, and then I went ahead and passed my flat iron through it a couple of times, not bone straight, but just to take some of the kinkiness out of it. I've done what I can, and that's it for me. This is how the knots are looking now that I've bleached it, and I've also tried to pluck it a little bit. And just to mention, like, the lace is really thin, so as you can see there's already holes in it. This is how the wig is looking. I think definitely bleaching the knots helped a lot, and I didn't do a very good job at plucking, but that's okay. So before I lay my wig, I normally just cut the ear flaps off, and what I do is just cut upwards. It's really easy. You just cut and measure just to make sure that it's the same length on both sides, and I do that to both sides. I cut the ear flaps off, and after I'm done, I go straight ahead into cutting the main bits of the lace, and I cut a line down the middle and then a line down both sides, just so that it's easy for me to navigate around the lace without, you know, jibber jabbing. Like, we're trying to do this properly. So have a look, guys, at what I'm doing. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. That would really help. And also, while you're at it, why not subscribe? Come back for more hair video. There's lots and lots of other videos on my channel, which I will link right here. But don't watch it now. You have to watch this video first, and then you can go and check out the other videos on my channel. I can see it looks a bit rounded. My hairline does go in at these sides, so I'm just going to go in and do some more plucking here. And that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to do in terms of like customizing. What I'm going to do now, this looks like a helmet. It's okay, it's okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to lay it using the Got To Be glue spray. Sorry guys, I lied. So this is actually the next day, and I will tell you what happened, but this is Ghost Bond glue that I had to use instead of the Got To Be, because as you can see in the clip before, I was wearing makeup and spraying the Got To Be glue. It was running all over my face, the lace was looking a mess, and I was like, you know what, I can't come on YouTube and embarrass myself. So what I decided to do was re-record it the next day, showing you guys on a clean face, clean skin, and instead of using the Got To Be, I decided to use the Ghost Bond. And what I do is apply a thin layer, spread it until it's nice and clear, and then I go ahead and I apply the lace to it. So you can see the glue is nice and clear, and what I do is just position the wig, make sure the edges are in line with where the glue stops, and I use my nails to press the lace into the glue. And this works just as well as using a rat tail comb or anything. As long as it's clean and it hasn't got any residue on it, you will be fine. So yeah guys, this is how I apply it. I do the same to the sides. I'm just checking myself out in my side mirror. Okay guys, that's the wig all applied with the glue. What I'm gonna do now is check myself out. How's it looking? It's looking a bit thick. I do have to go in and pluck again, but ta-da! Look at me all made up. This is the time when you need to put your makeup on, after you've done your wig. So I laid the closure and I'm just going to reveal it now. Let's see. Ooh, looking good, looking alright. It's a lot of hair, isn't it guys? So I'm just checking it out, deciding if I do want to cut some baby hairs, and I think I decided I will, because yeah, it's looking a bit thick at the front, and baby hair, it covers a lot of sins, so I just parted like a really thin section, and I went ahead and I cut some, because you know, we're still a baby girl, we can have some baby hairs, you know, or more like grown adult hairs. It's okay. So now I'm just using my African Pride mousse to lay my baby hairs, and look at my face guys. yeah, that's the face of someone that doesn't know what she's doing. I've never ever done baby hairs on a wig before, but it does hide a lot of sins. So it really did help to hide and conceal the lace. So I'm happy I did. And it looked cute, you know. Still a baby girl, we can still have baby hairs, even though we're like grown. So guys, as much as this stressed me out, it actually stressed me out. I'm really happy with how it looks. I did say I wanted to wear it in a side part, so that's what I'm doing now, just trying to fix it up a little bit. I did go ahead and part the wig and pluck it a little bit off camera, but you guys didn't need to see that. You just pluck it down wherever you want your parting to be. This is the bed head wax stick, and this works just as well as the other brands, and I got this on Amazon for like £9 or something like that, and it just helps the wig to lay really flat and really nice. And I'm just smoothing it down. This is basically the styling part of it, so I didn't do anything else to this wig except apply that bed head, and I think I applied some sheen spray, but that's it, guys. I really like how this looks, like really. So after, I just go ahead with my Studio Fix powder, and I just applied it to the parting as well as to the front of the lace, and it helped it to blend a little bit more. Normally I don't do this, but this wig needed it, honey. It actually did. And that's it, guys. That's how I finessed this £100 wig. How did I do, guys? Let me know down in the comment section below. Can you see how much I'm feeling myself? I am actually feeling myself. I'm not gonna lie, I felt so pretty in this wig. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.